Although it is iQOO's first tablet product, friends who have seen the press conference before know that iQOO Pad is basically a rebranded version of Vivo Pad 2. There is almost no big difference between the two products in terms of appearance and configuration. Even the final price is about the same. But after all, iQOO has always been linked to features such as performance and gaming. So iQOO Pad also upgraded the processor to Dimensity 9000 Plus this time, which is also the biggest difference in configuration between the two products. The upgrade to a processor like Dimensity 9000 Plus means that iQOO Pad can compete with some current sub-flagship phones in terms of core performance. Taking the previous generation of its brother Vivo Pad as a reference, the tablet of Blue Factory last year still used the Snapdragon 870, and the iQOO Pad was a real mid-range product that was upgraded to a sub-flagship at once. This 12.1-inch screen, combined with a 6-speaker configuration, is much stronger than a phone in terms of game immersion experience. The phone needs to be held in the hand to play games, and the fingers will be sore after a long time, which is how the tenosynovitis comes. The iQOO Pad can use the bracket to place the tablet on the desktop for operation. In this way, the game will be much less tiring than holding it in your hand. Another advantage of playing games on such a large screen is that the eyes will not focus on a small area for a long time, which will be more eye protection than a phone. iQOO Pad also supports key mapping technology, which can customize the trigger position of all keys of the keyboard on the screen. In this way, you can directly control the game with the keyboard and mouse on the tablet. I have tried the operations after keyboard and mouse mapping in Glory of Kings, and the overall completion is still relatively high. The core of tablet experience is how to make full use of this large screen. There are currently many 10-inch and 11-inch tablets on the market, and these products also perform well in terms of portability and ease of use. The 12.1-inch 7x5 screen of iQOO Pad is already close to the traditional 13-inch screen in terms of absolute display area. Although its body thickness of 6.59mm and weight of 585 grams are light enough, it is obviously not portable. Why do users still buy such a large size? In my opinion, the soul of this large tablet is the physical keyboard and stylus. Most of the time, in order to handle these tasks more efficiently, I tend to bring a laptop. However, in terms of portability, the best thin and light notebooks on the market are no match for tablet products like iQOO Pad. Because it is light enough and has a complete keyboard and stylus, it can basically meet my light office needs in some specific scenarios. In the process of using iQOO Pad, I also discovered two advantages of this product. First, this screen supports a maximum brightness of 600 nits. In some outdoor scenes, the content will not be unclear due to the low brightness. Secondly, the keyboard of iQOO Pad can be adapted to both Mac and Windows modes. Even colleagues with different keyboard operation logic can easily use it. There is also an old-fashioned problem with tablets, that is large screen adaptation. After all, there are still many problems in the current Android HD ecosystem. Especially for products with physical keyboards like iQOO Pad, it is still used in landscape mode most of the time. Ordinary vertical screen applications will have abnormal display and stretching problems. This can be seen on many tablet products and even folding screen phones. The approach of iQOO Pad is, in addition to doing more large screen application adaptation, they also built a UI adaptive engine, so that applications that were originally not suitable for horizontal screen use can also be presented in a more comfortable and efficient ratio, further improving the browsing efficiency of third-party applications. Take the familiar Quark browser as an example. In the horizontal screen state of an ordinary tablet, it is directly displayed in the center of the vertical screen, wasting a lot of display area. In terms of split screen, multitasking, multi-device synchronization and collaboration, iQOO Pad is not much different from the previous Vivo Pad. If you are a Vivo or iQOO phone user, you can easily use these collaboration functions. There is a saying before that there are only two products in the tablet market: iPad and others. If it weren't for the past 3 years, the Android tablet market has been activated again due to the needs of online office, study, and conferences. Perhaps until now, the tablet market has not been valued by Android manufacturers. It is precisely because for a long time in the past, the Android tablet market was a bit underdeveloped. For a long time, many people lack enough trust in Android tablets. Manufacturers only define an Android tablet as a large screen entertainment device. Although there were also products from major manufacturers such as Samsung and Google, their prices are often not close to the people. In the domestic Android tablet market, it has been difficult for users to buy a really good product. Especially for the price range of $425, either you can only choose entry-level tablets from Apple or Samsung, or you can only settle for the next best thing and choose some low-end and mid-range products made in China. The most important thing is that after Android tablets such as iQOO Pad are supported, users do not need to pay high hardware costs. About $425 can almost get a complete productivity solution including a stylus, a tablet, and a keyboard case. At this price, you can only buy a mid-range phone in the phone market. Such a set of equipment that can work, watch dramas, take online classes, and cover instant noodles is not only suitable for business people, but also for student party users. Like phones of domestic brands, iQOO Pad is still friendly and kind. I sincerely suggest that users who need to buy a tablet go to an offline experience store to try this product. I believe that its comprehensive performance should not let you down. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.